Good Sunday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather Update. This one is for April the 6th, 2014. Not too bad of a day, though. It was cloudy. It was a little dreary, but at least it wasn't raining all day. Tomorrow, a different story. We're going to be warm, clouds, and even some thunderstorms on the way, and some of which could be on the strong side. So we've got to detail that out, the timing on that, and also look ahead to the next 7 days, which does bring us a dry pattern and also a warm pattern as we head towards the end of the upcoming week. Here's a look at Live Viper 9. What we're watching now, that area of low pressure that's been developing down in the Gulf of Mexico today. Strong and severe thunderstorms pushing through portions of Louisiana and even into Alabama now. We're seeing strong storms into Mississippi. But mainly this has been a flooding threat. A lot of moisture up through Mississippi. They've seen upwards of 2 to 3 inches of rainfall already, with more on the way as we head through the overnight hours. But the cold front's still back over towards portions of Texas, deep east Texas, and it's still a long way away from us. You can kind of see that here on the on Live Viper 9 as we'll zoom back down to eastern North Carolina to show you what's going on across our neck of the woods. And again, not very much going on. There may be a couple sprinkles out there now, but the rain chances will be on the increase as we head through the overnight hours tonight. Our 3-day trend, 73 tomorrow, but the showers and thunderstorms will be in play. But there's going to be a cool down as we head towards Tuesday and Wednesday. But overall, the trend is upward as we head towards the end of the week. Here's a look at our precision forecast model. This model is showing the warm front lifting northward through the region into your day on Monday. Likely showers in the morning time hours. There will be a break in the afternoon hours. Likely sometime mid to late morning, we're going to see a break in the action where there's nothing going on. But next thing is going to happen is another wave coming through here, and this will likely be the prefrontal trough pushing through here. The front's not going to move through here until we head towards early on Tuesday, but this is going to be a line of showers and thunderstorms pushing through here. And look at the temperature spread: 67 at Roanoke Rapids compared to the 76 down at Jacksonville. Some of the guidance has Jacksonville at 78 degrees tomorrow. Would not be surprised, especially if you see some sunshine tomorrow. And there is that potential for seeing some sunshine, especially south of US 70 tomorrow afternoon. So we're going to be watching that closely. There will be more chances for showers and thunderstorms through the overnight hours of Monday and into Tuesday. But I do believe that there's going to be a time period between about 3 to about 10 o'clock where we could see some strong to severe thunderstorms here across the east. And showers staying in the forecast through a good chunk of the morning time hours of Tuesday, but starting to trend downward by the afternoon hours. Here's a look at our long ranger. And again, we're still talking about that potential for strong to severe thunderstorms through the afternoon hours of your Monday. Starting to clear out, but showers will be still possible for the coastal areas. The clouds will stay in place through the day on Tuesday, and they'll start to break up on occasion into Wednesday. I think by Wednesday afternoon, we're going to see some sunshine returning by the afternoon hours with a few showers still possible. High pressure builds in, and a cool evening is on tap for us as we head into early Thursday morning here across the east. Here's a look at our severe weather potential. Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma has us underneath a slight risk, mainly south of US 70 for tomorrow, and that's going to be the potential for those strong to severe thunderstorms. Not a lot, but a few. Even within the green area, there's still going to be that marginal chance that we see a strong to severe thunderstorm as well, and the main threat tomorrow is going to be damaging wind gusts. With that line pushing through, but heavy rain is also going to be associated with this as well as the whole thing kind of pushes through. But I want to keep your attention towards the damaging winds. That's going to be a potential as we head through the afternoon hours of your Monday. Tornadoes, a low threat, but it's still a threat. So we'll watch that. A lot of shear in the atmosphere. And if we get enough sunshine and a little bit of instability, that's all it's going to take, really. And hail, not a big threat because of our freezing layer being a little bit too high. But there's still going to be that potential for a few small hailstones through the day tomorrow. How much rain are we expecting? Well, anywhere from an inch to 2 inches deep inland to about a half an inch near the coastline. And the winds are really going to whip tomorrow, especially as that warm front lifts northward. Look here, by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, winds will be anywhere from about 15 to 25 miles per hour with higher gusts, especially inside the thunderstorms. And it will depend on where that warm front is. I mean, some areas may see the warm front kind of hang up right along the Virginia state border. And what this model is trying to do is kind of holding kind of a boundary somewhere in here back to the west as well. But the main boundary will be kind of bisecting the region sometime tomorrow afternoon. We stay with the southerly winds into Tuesday before. Here's a look at the 12Z GFS run looking at 2 p.m. on Monday. Warm front lifting northward. There will be some dry air trying to push in here from the south and west. That's going to try to scour out the clouds and get the destabilization to go with the warm front on the backside of the warm front. Now the question that somebody hits 80 tomorrow. I would not be surprised to see somebody hit 80 degrees tomorrow south of US 70. I think most of us stay in the 70s though, but it's going to be low to mid 70s for a good chunk of us. The GFS is slower than our precision forecast model with bringing in the strong storm threat. It's more closer to the evening hours than the afternoon hours. Precision forecast model printing 3 p.m., 3 to 7 p.m. with the first round. This is showing closer to probably 2 a.m., anywhere from about 8 p.m. to about 2 a.m. with that potential pushing through here with the frontal boundary. So there is some differences in the modeling that we're going to be watching, but nonetheless, you need to be weather aware for that potential for a few strong to severe thunderstorms tomorrow, the main threat being damaging wind gusts. Isolated tornado is not out of the question, and just stay up to date with us through the day tomorrow. As we head towards Tuesday morning, the rain showers will continue across the area, and we're going to see another node of energy kind of coming through here. Look at the cold air coming southward. As we go into tomorrow, Tuesday rather, that'd be Tuesday afternoon, 540 line all the way down into Mississippi, near Greenville, Mississippi, and the boundary looks like it's going to try to stall offshore, and a lot of the models are showing that the frontal boundary will kind of stall offshore, very similar to the one that came through here on Friday did, just kind of stalling offshore, kind of holding there and waiting, and that's about it. But it will get a good push with that upper air energy coming into play as we head towards late on Tuesday. Tuesday's highs will likely stay in the 60s, but there's some indications that the temperatures will likely start to fall a little bit into the latter half of the day as the upper air energy comes through. And we'll stay with mostly cloudy skies through the afternoon hours. Wednesday, I think we're going to have rain chances in the morning and clearing through the afternoon hours, and temperatures only staying in the mid-60s, low to mid-60s through the afternoon. But like I said, there's going to be that chance for a few showers possibly on Wednesday. But we clear things out on Thursday. High pressure comes into play. Mostly sunny skies, highs in the low 70s. Nice afternoon, and I think for the most part, the weekend's looking great. Friday, we're dry, high pressure in control. We should be able to make the mid-70s, partly sunny skies. Now, yesterday, the European was printing a chance for some showers with the backdoor frontal boundary pushing through here on Saturday. Now, the GFS and the Canadian are on board with that, but their ensembles differ. And the ensembles are saying, no, it's not going to happen, and I'm leaning more towards the ensemble mean on that, and keeping the chance for rain very minimal. I've added a 10% chance for a shower on Saturday and Sunday, but we should stay with partly to mostly sunny skies both days, and temperatures nearing the upper 70s and low 80s on both Saturday and Sunday. Now, Sunday we could see an isolated shower. That's not out of the question, mainly in a pop-up form. And we're going to be watching another boundary coming towards us as we head towards next week that could bring us another chance for showers and thunderstorms. But at least we'll stay warm during the period, and there's no real big cold shots. But I do believe that late next week we could have another cooler shot coming towards us as you see some cooler air kind of looming up to the north as that Arctic high coming southward, about 1030 high sitting over Iowa. So some cooler air starting to come southward again. That's going to do it for me here on the ENC Weather Update. You can stay up to date with us Facebook, Twitter, WNCT.com for the latest on the weather situation across eastern North Carolina as we head into your day on Monday as well as into Tuesday as well. It looks like there will be a chance for some strong storms even into early Tuesday, but things will start to calm down, and the end of the week does look to be quite nice and seasonable for this time of the year. Stay up to date with us, like I said, Facebook and Twitter and WNCT.com, and also on the television side. Dante Jones will update you in the morning, and Chief Meteorologist David Sawyer is in tomorrow evening with the updates, and I'll likely be here as well to keep updating the social media side, and also, if needed, be on the television side as well. Have a great rest of your evening, a great day tomorrow, and a great weather week ahead.